Hey guys, Crafty Kim here, and I have a super quick Thanksgiving DIY for you. I turned this tinsel jack-o'-lantern decoration from the Dollar Tree in the Halloween section to a cornucopia. I've been meaning to do this for a long time and was able to get it in right before Thanksgiving. So I hope you enjoy the video and let's get into it. So items you'll need are this tinsel jack-o'-lantern from Dollar Tree. My mom gave me this burlap runner, so I'm just using pieces of that, but you can use the burlap ribbon that you get from Dollar Tree. And then just whatever decor of your choice. I chose to use some pumpkins, a little bit of this tubing, and then some leaves and flowers I got from Dollar Tree as well. So to get started, you just need to remove all the tinsel from the plastic frame, and then I'm going to take my scissors and cut off the little nubs around the sides. I realized after trying to cut these off that it's so much easier just to use your hand and pull them off by bending them down. So now just taking a strip of that burlap, I'm gonna hot glue it around the hat of the jack-o'-lantern frame, and I'm just kind of bending it and gluing it where I need to, and then wrapping it around to give it the top shape of the cornucopia. When you get closer to the bottom of the hat section, you just have to kind of play around with it and decide where you need to fold it in to make it fit straight across and fit nice and tight around the frame. And now it's time for the fun part. I just kind of went along and decided where I wanted to put things. I wrapped the leaf sections around the frame to help hold it more secure, and then just hot glued. And I just went around and hot glued leaves, flowers, pumpkins, wherever I thought they looked good. And I added the tubing in last just by tying it in around the frame. With these little pumpkins, I just used the wire that's attached to them and wrapped it around the frame to hold it in place. And I didn't show you on here, but the bigger pumpkins have little clips on them, and I just used those to clip them right on the frame. I ended up just using one of the smaller pumpkins wires to use as a hanger. It just was in the right place, and that's what I ended up doing, but you could certainly use a piece of jute string if you want. And there you have it, a cute little cornucopia. I thought about putting the metal word thankful or harvest that you can get from Dollar Tree, but I just liked it plain and just left it as is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope everyone has a happy and safe Thanksgiving. Till next time, thank you for watching.